interesting scenario I want to mention it to you.
Okay, A91124, na? Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, so in this project, what scenario?
Okay. Go to material for non-stock item. Okay, that one I already, the first one I created. I'm not this year. The first one I already did the goods received, goods issue, everything is done.
Okay, yes, GR quantity is one. Okay.
I also issued it.
Mm-hmm.
For the second one, if you look at the general data, since it's a non-valid, non-unitary item, there won't be any reservation, so we cannot do a goods issue.
Yeah.
So the assumption is directly get consumed.
Yeah, at the time of GR itself, it will get consumed.
Yes. So this is the interesting scenario I noted.
Okay. Yeah. That's what we discussed, na?
Yes.
For non-valuated item category and stock cannot be managed since it is a diesel or the material which we cannot build the stock. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the one I think I want to mention. That's all. I did not do the one for production order because I did not find time.
Okay.
I have to do one. That's my homework left.
Okay, no issues. Just try to create your own bomb and just play with it. Okay.
Yes, it should not be a problem. I should be able to do it quickly. So no worries.
Okay, sure. So okay, so today we'll discuss one cycle. Okay, so under same WBS itself, we'll discuss that cycle.
For service entry.
For actual cost, service activity we'll discuss later.
Okay.
Before that, we'll discuss how to plan, how to post cost with reference to internal activities. As we already discussed, significance of each and every type of activity. Internal means I'm going to manage my work by using in-house resources.
Yes.
External, I'm going to I'm giving work to third-party agency to carry out my project work part. Cost is nothing but the cost is it is secondary cost which cannot be covered under internal processing activity. So that we are going to cover as a cost activity. And services, we just create service activity, multiple service line item, automatically service PR get created. So firstly, we'll discuss how to post the cost with reference to internal activities. Okay. So I'll create one internal activity, in-house work. So in a to post actual cost with reference to internal activity. Okay, so in-house work is one activity which I created for caliper WBS element. So if I put hours, okay, so I put 18 hours. So 18 hours, it took 0.8 days. Okay, so it is considering 24 hours as a one day. So since I have not mentioned work center, so that's why it is calculating 25 hours. So when I press work center,
it is going to take the capacity requirement from there.
Yeah, it will take capacity requirement. In this work center, I declare 9 hours will be my working day, and 18 hours is nothing but 2 days for me. Got it?
Okay.
If you want, I can show you in CNR3 work center. Can I?
Yeah.
Okay. /o CNR3. Okay. PS01. So under capacity tab, in capacity detail screen, what is my working time? 8 to 18. Okay, which is 1 hour is break, so 9 hours is my operating time. So I'm putting 18 hours. I'm giving input as a 18 hours will be my working hour. And I've given PS01 work center. So per day it is 9 hours for working. Okay. So when I take 9 hours, Oh, 1, enter. Yeah. So 18 hours got converted into 2 days. Got it?
Hmm.
Okay. So I'll save this. Budget exceeded. Oh,
Oh boy.
okay. So I'll CJ 30, 24. So for caliper WBS,
It's 23, right?
no. Yeah, I
You're
guess.
using
Hey, let me check. It's 24, na?
oh,
Previous.
you're using 24? Okay.
Yeah. Mm, okay. So this is the caliper. Oh, only 5,000 rupees budget. So I'll put 4 lakhs. Activity internal, in-house work, and I'll put
Okay.
18 hours and PS01 automatically activity type is getting populated because of work center.
Even requisition will get say created.
No. For internal activity, requisition will not
Oh, my
create. Na?
apologies. My
Mhm.
apologies. Okay, no,
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
So basically, I'm declaring this work. Okay.
Okay.
So since I'll have to give timelines. So what will be the starting date of this operation? In-house work will start, must start on, and 27th of 11. Okay, so I'll put 20, 20th of November. This work is will start, and when I save it, okay. So my planning is over. Okay, in planning phase, I'm planning this operation, but in execution phase, what happens? This work maybe will finish within time or maybe exceed beyond our time. So it may take 20 hours, it may take 15 hours as well. So it just depends upon actual scenarios. So in actual scenario, what we are going to do in a project execution process, we have to declare that this operation is completed. Okay. So once how we are going to declare that this operation is completed or finished by using confirmation, network activity confirmation. Okay. So we'll discuss that in simultaneously. So we'll proceed with step-by-step processes. Okay. So under project execution processes, we are going to discuss these many topics: actual dates, account assignment documents, confirmations, procurement of external services, external procurement services, material procurement and delivery, billing, and project progress. So firstly, we'll discuss about actual dates out WBS element as well as for network activities. How actual dates will be entered at WBS element and network activities. Okay. So we'll discuss this simultaneously. Okay. I hope you are getting me. You are
I'm
in
getting
sync
you,
now.
but I'm not. Yeah, I'm getting you, but I'm not understanding what's the reason we are doing this.
Okay. So basically, um, in planning phase, we are planning n number of activities, n number of operations.
Right.
Few operations will be in-house, will be performed by in-house team, and few operations will be performed by outside agencies. For that, we are going to create purchase requisition. Up to this, is it okay?
Yes,
Hmm.
correct.
Next, the operation which I'm going to execute by using in-house resources, that has to be some documented. Okay. So my resources utilized for this operation 5 hours. Okay. So that 5 hours cost, 5 hours their time, it should be recorded at project level so that I can have a track how much work I have completed, how much work is remaining. Got it?
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
So I'll show you in this network as well.
All
Um,
right.
okay.
Mm.
So I'll change the dates, okay, because future confirmation is not allowed. So what I can do, I'll take dates of from 5th of November to
Okay. And finish on 11:10.
yeah
Okay.
yeah 5th of November. So accordingly, since it is 18-hour work, which is nothing but 2 hours. So as
Mm.
per scheduling, 5 to 6 is the dates which system calculating right now. Got it? Since
Mm.
it is only 18 hour, 2 days work,
Mm.
in-house work. Okay. So I'll just save it. And what I'm going to, I'll just confirm this operation
Okay.
with reference
Fine.
to 2 days date. Okay.
Okay.
Um, so what I'm, uh, I'll just declare, I'll just put the confirmation against network activity. So I'll have to select the network activity first, hmm,
Okay.
against which you want to put confirmations, and we have to go to activity. Okay. And we
Fine.
have to select confirm. Hmm.
Okay.
So I'm just declaring this activity is confirmed, or part partially confirmed or fully confirmed, that I'm going to
Okay.
declare. So whenever I click on that confirmation option, so new screen will open. So what is this new screen? Activity, this 20. This is the description of the activity. Work
Yes.
center, this is the work center which I put.
Mm-hmm.
Next, processing. Okay. So in this tab, in this field, you can enter percentage of completion.
Yeah.
So if you put 5% confirmation, automatically it will 18 hours 18 hours it will be converted into 5 hours. Okay. If you put 100%, then final confirmation it will be posted. All 18 hours work will be posted. Okay. Got it? So what
Yeah.
yeah, so this is the significance of processing percentage tab. Next, final confirmation and completed, these two indicators indicates that my operation is completed. Okay.
Okay.
No,
Yeah. Sure.
completed means no remaining work is
Pending.
expected, pending. Yeah. This indicator is showing that no further work is expected. And let's okay. There is one more scenario. If you put 5 hours in as an actual confirmation, okay. So and if you put confirm completed, then this work remaining work will be no longer considered in scheduling.
Yes.
Got it? Final
Yeah.
confirmation is one tick mark, which is because of which this activity is fully confirmed, partially
Confirm.
fully confirmed. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll show you impact of this final these check boxes. Next, no date update. Do not update actual date in the operation. So if you
Mm-hmm.
put this, actual date will not update because we want the actual date, right? So
Mm.
clear open reservation. So this indicates that specifying with the final confirmation, delivery completed, set for all open reservation.
Mm.
So if you have any inventory item, all those inventory item will be cleared from network activities. Okay.
Yeah.
Next is posting date, active type,
Okay.
and one more thing. Actually, reason for um, okay. There is one more. I'll show you. Yeah, reason for variances. OPK5. So in this field, actually, you put reasons for variation. Is there any uh, you planned this operation for 18 hours, and because of some reason, some circumstances, this this work get completed in 25 hours. So you can put that reason because of which this activity got overdue, or time overrun. Hmm? let's check which values we have. So machine malfunction, operating error, defective material. So you can put your variances reason in OPK5 transaction. This is the configuration reason for variance.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay. Next is these are related to HR module. Okay. Next, these dates it will take from network activities. What is earliest start date? What is earliest finish date? Latest start date? Latest finish date? Since we haven't put any actual dates confirmation. Actual date are blank. So
Okay.
um, in so 5/11 to 9/11 it is taking by default. Okay, 2 days date as a confirmation date, and this is the 18 hours. So if I put um, 5 hours,
Mm-hmm.
so it will take partial confirmation. Out
Yeah,
of 18 hours, it will post
for
confirmation
5 hours.
for 5 hours only. Okay, so we'll check because of this 5 hours what impact we are getting at network activity level. Okay,
Okay,
yeah. So I'll press back button. Actual time, actual duration, remaining duration deviates by more than 10%. It is because of we set confirmation tolerance limits at confirmation parameter level that I'll show you in upcoming slides. Okay. Okay. So at network activity level, we got status updated, MCNF and PCNF. What is
PCNF
this?
is partially confirmed. What is MCNF?
Partial
Manually confirmed. Got it.
manually confirm. Okay.
Okay,
So there is one more transaction, CN25. By that transaction, we can post confirmations at network activity level. Okay. But as per S4 HANA, they strictly recommending that the CN25, CN27, CN29 transaction cannot be utilized
okay,
because those will be replaced, or you strictly use CJ20N.
got it.
Yeah. Okay. So I can save it. So because of this save, confirmation will post at network activity level, and we'll check at network activity level what impact we are getting. /o CJ I3 actual cost line item report. Okay, 0001. Yeah, I'll remove dates and I'll execute the report. Because of this confirmation, PS01 and work center activity type
And 5 hours.
KP26. Yeah, 5 hours. The cost will post 1/12/2020 4290, I guess 4290 and 1421 F5. So 1005 1005 is the cost for 1 hour. So 5 hours actual cost will be posted.
5025.
Yeah,
There you go. There you see 5025.
23 and 20 number activity.
It's showing already
Yeah,
5025.
5025. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Okay. And we can pull other information as well. Okay. So 5025, this is the confirmation document number, AFRU. What is the reference transaction? AFRU, which is nothing but confirmation.
Okay.
What is partner object, work center, and activity
And
type
activity
confirmation?
type.
Activity
Cost
type
center and
confirmation.
activity type.
Sorry, cost center and activity type. Next, what is time? Who is the user? Next, reference document. This is the confirmation document generated. Next, time, quantities, description of the work. That's it. WBS element, network, project definition, all those information, it will get updated at project level. Okay.
All right, fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you will get idea at network activity level. So what is my remaining work? 18,
13.
18 minus 5, it will be 13.
13 hours.
Okay.
Hmm.
So I can post confirmation up to 13 hours. I can
Yes.
post confirmation beyond 13 hours as well, which will be overrun in my case.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So I hope you are getting me.
Yes,
Because of
yes.
this confirmation, actual date will get reflected at network activity level. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So can we discuss these points? We'll start from WBS date. How to enter dates at WBS level and how to enter dates for activities. We'll discuss all those things. Okay.
Or we just
Now,
don't discuss this.
no. Actually, at WBS level, there are two types by which we can confirm. We can put actual dates. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So there are few projects. Um Actually, network activity will not come into picture at WBS. Only WBS will come into picture. Those projects are called as capex kind of project. So for capex project itself, there are few scenarios under which we can update actual dates against WBS element, and we can declare that this particular WBS operation is over or completed, but
Hmm.
cost will not post it. Okay, we can check for chemical WBS element. Okay, solve one. So at WBS level, under dates, we can, okay, so this date, okay, so we'll have to release it because under created status, it will
Hmm.
we uh, we cannot post actual actual dates. We cannot enter
Okay.
actual dates, na? So for confirmation itself, if you want to release, if you want to confirm the operation, WBS should be released then and then confirmation can be entered. So I'll release this chemical WBS element and I'll save this. So
Okay.
there are two ways. Okay, actual dates for WBS element. You can enter actual dates for WBS element. A distinction made in case of actual dates and actual finish date. Actual start and actual finish date for WBS element. So whenever we are declaring this particular work is finished, chemical work is finished, we can put dates against WBS element so that this work is over. That will get that information. Okay, so um, entering actual dates at WBS level, it is possible by using manual entry or by using determination of actual dates of network activities. Hmm? So we'll
Hmm.
first check how we can put manual dates. Hmm? So directly we can update dates at actual what is actual start date. Okay, 11/11 or actual date in future. So I'll put 05 and 09 today's date.
Hmm.
Actual finish date is later than finish date of the project. Okay, no, so warning message. So whenever I put actual start and actual finish date on the WBS level, so you will get impact at uh, system status get change CNF,
Hmm.
which is nothing but confirmed.
Confirm.
Okay, so because of those actual dates entered at WBS level manually.
So status automatically changed to confirmed.
Yeah, status automatically change to confirm. If I remove those dates, okay, and if I save this, then that status will vanish.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is one of the way to update dates at actual dates at WBS level. Okay, second way, I'll show you determination of actual dates. You can determine actual dates function to derive actual dates of WBS element from actual dates of assigned activities. Since for this activity we have actual dates 5 to 9, okay, and we put only 5 days, 5 hour confirmation. So we can derive those dates at WBS level. So let's check, is there any, no. Okay, so we'll have to perform scheduling, and before scheduling it has to be we have to update scheduling
Bottom
scenario.
up.
Bottom up. Okay, so when I put bottom up, planning method as well as planning method forecast and basic will get changed to bottom up,
Yes.
and we'll have to edit date schedule. Do you want to carry it? Okay, status information, system status CNF is active. Okay, no issues. Yes.
There you go. They got carried over.
Yeah. So scheduling carried out at project level.
At the WBS element level.
Yeah, project level, and start date and end date is getting updated. Okay.
Yes.
So we'll check at WBS level what impact we are getting. I think tentative start date and actual date, it should get updated at against these two fields, tentative actual and tentative actual finish. Okay, so I'll save this and I'll put confirmation again. I guess actually will before confirming we'll have to run scheduling, so that all and we just change the setting na, at project level. So that's why this is the one of the reason because of which dates are not getting updated, actual dates are not getting updated. So what we can do, we'll define one more activity, okay, which will be only 3 hours, and PS01. Okay, and I'll save it. And I'll confirm this operation. Now we'll check whether the confirmation will update at network activity level or not. I'll save this.
You didn't put any dates.
Yeah, it automatically took date na. 9 to 9. 3 hours is only less than 1 hour na.
I got you.
0.2 days. So it will take automatically 2 days date. So we'll check at WBS level. Tentative, actual, tentative.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Okay.
So there are two ways by which we can enter actual dates at WBS level. Next is prerequisite. So to enter actual date at WBS level, there has to be WBS system status should be partially release or release. Okay. Then and then we can post confirmation. And one more thing, whatever user status we are defining, that should not restrict actual date entering.
Okay.
I hope you are getting me. In actual
Yes.
in status, we can put restriction that in particular user status, actual date or confirmation should not be posted. So that restriction should not be there to post actual dates or to put actual dates at WBS or network activity level. Okay, so for actual dates of network activities, so we already discussed what is the confirmation. We are going to declare actual dates of network activities are typically entered by using confirmations. In this case, differences between actual dates and partial confirmation, which are practically interpreted as a provisional actual cost dates, actual start and actual finish dates, and actual dates from the confirmation represent the actual execution period. So this is nothing but actual execution period. So this is my planning and this is my actual. Okay, so we can compare plan versus actual later.
Yeah.
By using progress functionality.
Okay.
Next, actual dates on the milestone. Okay, so milestone is one of the key event um, which declares that a particular stage of your project is
It's
finished,
complete.
complete.
Mm.
So I'll give you example of construction project. So at plinth level, so customer has to give some percentage amount of bill to construction company. Okay. So once at particular stage of the construction, they have to bill they have to bill the customer. Okay. So in that case, um, we can put milestones. We'll put okay milestone activity,
All right.
and there is one more
Oh.
option, milestone overview.
Mm-hmm.
So in my actually my under milestone we can define only usage. This is only one configuration have with milestone. So concept, start specification, finish specification. We can define our own milestone
We have
usage.
so many of these. I don't think we need to define anymore for.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'll put 001 and plinth work finished. So this is one of the milestone which I'm going to put at network activity level. So with reference to this milestone, um few processes will trigger. So I'll tell you what processes will trigger. Progress analysis, sales documented. Progress analysis, nothing but this milestone will be considered for progress analysis to calculate
Yeah,
progress.
what percentage is completed? Okay.
Yeah, at what percentage of completion. So for progress analysis, we have to put the confirmation percentage of completion.
Percentage, yeah.
Yeah, 20% completion. Next,
Mm-hmm.
you tick this indicator, sales document date, then you can integrate these milestones, okay, in sales document. Okay, so if you put invoicing percentage as a 10% and sales document date indicator you put, and in sales order you if you put WBS, this WBS element as account assignment. So what will happen? System uh, in sales order it will pull all milestones defined which are having sales document date indicator. Okay, along with that it will pull invoicing percentage. Okay, and it will create billing plan. So for one milestone 10%, for second milestone 20%, for third milestone 25%. Accordingly it will calculate billing percentage with reference to milestone completion.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So to integrate with SD, we this checkbox is mandatory. Next, trend analysis. This is also milestone trend analysis, progress analysis functionality. Next, release up to stop indicator. So this milestone is a release stop indicator. So okay, so whenever you release the structure up to this milestone, structure will release only. Beyond this
I got
milestone,
you.
structure will not be released. And
Okay.
milestone functions, when you put milestone function indicator,
Mm.
so you will have these many functions.
Oh boy.
Release following activities, release up to stop indicator, include standard network, create subnetwork, start workflow. I'll show you one of the major workflow. So most of the customer want with the milestone confirmation there has to be a mail trigger to project manager or few peoples. So uh, SAP PS is having standard workflows. Okay, so when I click this milestone start workflow task, so it will ask me we have to put at which at which we have to put parameters by which workflow will be triggered. So what are those parameters? System status. So which system status it should active. So these are the system statuses it should
Uh,
active. CNF. So yes, CNF is nothing but confirmed. Okay. So once confirmation status get updated at milestone and project WBS network activity level, then this workflow will trigger. What is system status? Okay, activities activate. Sorry, um, we can put one because this function is activates manually. Function activates by status and manually. Function is activated by status. If you put blank, then automatic function this workflow will be triggered automatically. Okay. Next, status change. We have plus for status set, minus for reset set, and star for status set and reset. So if you put plus, then um, then at the time of status change, this workflow will trigger. And we have 7944. Oh, sorry, 7944 is 7944 is standard workflow task which is defined
for
for
confirmation.
PS. Yeah, confirmation.
Okay.
Okay, so this standard task will be used by workflow consultant to trigger mail to
Yes.
agents. Okay,
Okay.
so these are the functions of workflow. Okay, so we are going to we are discussing this actual dates on milestone, right? So
Yes.
so whenever I'm updating whenever I'm confirming this operation, hmm, so automatically milestone will get confirmed at the same time. So
Mm.
schedule date, it is taking from active network activity dates, fixed date and actual dates. We can put offset as well, percentage offsets, offset to finish date, latest dates. So those are the indicators we have already have. Okay, so whenever we put the confirmation at network activity level, automatically actual dates will get transferred to milestones. Okay, so I'll show
Okay.
you. So under network activity, I'll confirm activity confirm. Confirmation is only possible after saving. Okay, sorry, I just created now. Okay. So since I've created this network activity and milestone, hmm, now I can put confirmations. Okay, I'll put final confirmation, start workflow. So it is giving me pop-up that
Oh,
because of milestone
you
level,
defined it like that.
I define my workflow. So that's why it is putting standard workflow,
Okay.
execute. Okay, CNF status get active
Fantastic.
at a milestone level itself. Actual date is getting updated. Okay, when I save it, okay, actual date is getting updated and project is changed. So this is the significance of putting dates, actual dates at milestone level, so that
Okay.
we can um, have information that this particular stage is completed at project level. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So next is confirmations. So either we can put partial confirmation next,
Yes.
okay, either or fully confirmation as per our need. Degree
Yeah.
of processing that we already discussed, we can just put
Yes.
percentage at 10%,
Yes.
20%. Oh, sorry. Uh, this is you can use work center and activity type and forecast for partial confirmation to document which work center has performed the degree of processing and forecast
Yes.
how much work you can still expect to be performed.
Okay.
Okay. Next is actual and forecast dates.
Mm.
Specify basically whenever you deal with partial confirmation, it will forecast remaining duration with reference to current date of the activities. Hmm. Final confirmation, by setting final confirmation indicator, you document the activity has been processed completely with 100%
100%.
completion. You don't
Yes.
expect any more confirmation in that activity.
Yes.
Reason for variance, we can put reason for variance. Okay, P5.
Yeah, we already have many of them. So
Yeah. Okay, so calculation of actual cost based on confirmation. Um, so with reference to KP26 work center, uh, cost center and activity type, we can post actual cost based on confirmations.
correct.
Hmm. Next,
I agree.
one more aspect which is most important. I'm going to show you right now. Goods movement for confirmation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. So for that, we have to put OPST. Okay, we'll open OPST
Right. Let's see.
/n OPST. So it is confirmation parameters for network activities 1300 PS02. So these are the confirmation parameters. So in those confirmation parameter, we have checkboxes: goods movement, hmm, error handlings, okay, and goods movement is allowed. So
Okay.
what is the significance of this
Ah.
goods movement indicator?
Okay.
At network for network activity, if you assign particular material, okay, so by using backflush indicator, I hope you aware about the backflush indicator.
Yes. Yes. We
Material
use in
master
production orders many
production
times.
order. Yeah. So in production order, whatever function, whatever you're using, same functionality we are using in PS module. With the confirmation of
Yeah.
activity, automatically that material get consumed. Okay, because of backflush indicator. With the confirmation, you choose to decide which component are displayed in the overview. So if you set this indicator, system displays that component regardless of whether or not update, not backflash indicator set for material order. If you do not set this indicator, system displays that component for which backflash indicator is set. Okay, so I hope you are getting me. So because
Yes.
of I'll put this indicator, and we just
Yes.
discuss in short what is final confirmation, post open reserve, propose dates, propose activities, milestone, automatic. Okay, so these are the few checkboxes uh,
Okay.
which will control the confirmations. Date in
Yeah.
future, I can put confirmation date in the future. Work deviation, so only 10% deviation is allowed. Okay, work duration is nothing but this much work. Okay. Only 10%, 3 10% of 3, which is um, 3 hours. 10% is nothing but 30 minutes now. 30 minutes, no? Correct, na?
Yeah.
So only 30-minute deviation is allowed. Work uh, duration deviation, activation. So only 10% deviation is active for normal duration. If you are dealing with normal duration. Next, error handlings. Is there any errors for actual cost? It will give us information. Error handlings for goods movement. Again, we'll get that information. Mass confirmation. Okay, so we'll discuss about it later.
Can you go
Confirmation
back? I want to see where this what is the SAP menu path for this confirmation parameter? No, configuration.
/n. Actually, I directly enter OPST, na?
Oh, you directly
SPO.
went to transaction. Okay.
Yeah, okay, I'll show you. Okay, and the project system confirmations under confirmation, define confirmation parameter.
Oh, I see. Define confirmation parameter. I got it. Okay.
Yeah, and you have to define plant and order types. Okay, and okay, firstly we'll discuss about these two checkboxes. So I'm putting goods movement checkbox.
Yes, I got it.
Okay, so I'll save this. We'll discuss the rest of the checkboxes in next session. So we'll just
Oh my
quickly
God.
discuss.
Okay.
We'll just quickly discuss this goods movement part first. So I'll define okay backflush test case. I'm just putting one duration 10 hours, and okay, no, we require work center as well, and I'll put one material 130.
Okay.
Okay,
So when you confirm this machine will be goods will be issued.
yeah, so I'll save
Let's
this.
see.
No, at material master level we'll check is there any backflush indicator. So back I'll put backflush.
Or we can put here itself. Okay.
Yeah, so since it is inventory material, okay, save this. And one more thing, actually we'll have to put confirmation by using other transaction CN25. If you put confirmation in CJ20, it will not give you, it will not post good movement. Okay, this is one more thing. Dash n CN25. Just we'll have to put network number, and if we select this line item backflush test case activity post, so no confirmation is possible. Why? Because it is actually that material should be in stock. So then and then it should post the confirmation.
Check for the availability.
No.
There's no confirm. The quantity is 0. There's nothing in stock. Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. I got the concept.
Okay. So you just you will try, right? By using this, by using.
Yeah, we'll try. Yeah.
Is there need to explain you, demonstrate you? For if stock is not exist, then you can build stock, plant level stock by 561.
Yes.
And
yes.
Just try to post confirmation by CN25. So I'll put that
CN25. Okay, CN25. Okay.
In favorites. And there is
confirmation for network. All right, fantastic.
Okay, so there are one more topic. CN25 is for individual confirmation. CN27 is for collective confirmation. Within your network, you have so many activities. So if you want to put collective confirmation, so you can put those confirmation by using CN27.
Okay, got it.
And by using CN29.
Okay. CN29 is
cancel. Yeah.
All right.
So these are the few operations, 2 operations against those operations. We can cancel it because because final confirmation is active for those. We can cancel confirmations.
Yes.
So yeah, that's it. Means that's it from my side. Is there anything? Actually, one more.
No, I'm good. This is very clear.
Okay. We will discuss about the processes whenever we have capacity requirement checkbox. Okay, person assignment tab is not getting reflected. Okay, so we have that process at network activity level. We can pull HR persons at net. We can assign HR persons at network activity level, and we can use CAT's cross application timesheets for confirmation. So there is one
I
more
got it.
process. Yeah, there is one more process which we will discuss because that process requires 1 hour extra time. So it will not cover in short time. So yeah, um, about the confirmation, that's it. Means these are the only topics which we have only under confirmation topic. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You the person assignment tab is getting reflected. So under person assignment tab, you can pull
Assign a person
persons. Okay, and
and
those
the hours
person,
worked.
yeah, hours as well. We can assign the person as well as we can put uh, against person out of 10 hours how what will be the work for which
For each
he is
person.
allocated, yeah, for each person.
Yes. Okay.
So that process required additional 1 hour, so it will not
Okay.
cover within this short time. So okay, so are you okay with today's session? Is there any doubts? Can I stop recording?
No, this is fine, man. Yeah, you can stop recording. What's the next session we are doing?